singing the oceanside song, where people can dance and sing. Singing the oceanside song, where people can dance and sing.
Hey, it's me again. Sorry, I wasn't in the vlog yesterday. I was tired and lots of stuff happening, and well, I just want to apologize for not waking up, but yeah, here I am. Cheers. Had my coffee, breakfast, and I'm having my Bible and reading my music, and yeah, thanks Caleb for the coffee. Cheers.
So today it's November 23rd in 2016. And it's another day, another things to get done, more work to get done. I say that almost every single day though. But it's true. And then all 500 of the base is gonna go to the beach to celebrate summer. So. Just chilling in the bathroom cleaning in the morning. There's all these men scrubbing the walls.
What? Is he filming? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm crying.
You guys weren't in it yesterday.
Why are you crying? I don't know, because I was out in the wind and now it's okay, the wind.
Make those coffee. Make the coffee. I'm making coffee. What are you guys doing today?
Beach day.
And of course, we've also begun to change America's image.
What else?
Beach day!
What else?
What else? Tell me!
Tell me.
Class. Yes, okay. Scroll down.
All right. So guys, every day.
Why?
Because
Hi.
it's a challenge
What happened to your hand?
to make something every day. Oh, I fell off my skateboard.
That was smart.
That was a while.
Do you like my shirt?
Yeah, that's a nice shirt.
Nice.
All right, see you guys later.
Bye.
What's up? Say hey.
Hi.
Oh, like it's a video.
Yeah.
Oh. I thought you were gonna take a photo of me.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Sam. I'm from Florida. I'm on staff here at YWAM Perth. I staff DTS here, and I was a part of a ministry called Island Breeze. But right now I'm actually doing a training program with Youth of the Mission called the Transformation School. It's all about worldview and ideas and learning tools and skills to evaluate your own worldview, but also learn how to evaluate other people's worldviews and to disciple the nations by understanding biblical truth and how we apply it to our life. Really fun, very challenging school, and that's all I have to say.
Awesome. Thank you.
So strong.
I bet you're wondering what we're doing here as a team meeting again. But I bet you're not, because I show you every day. Team meeting again!
We might have highs, but we're definitely gonna have lows. Do we have to ride the roller coaster that the world rides of our life? No, because it's not about who you are. It's about whose you are.
Ignore all that. I have no memory for such data. I really don't.
Back in the media office once again. It can get kind of boring, and I don't know how many ways I can try to illustrate this in a cool way. But here we are. So now we got another time with the team. We're praying. Yeah?
Yeah, we're praying.
So what I was doing was, I've been spending time in the past week learning how to animate. So just yesterday I made those like shape animations, and then today I like applied those principles to making like a character. So I like drew all the body parts and like labeled them to like create an animation. I don't know if you can hear me. To create an animation, because we're gonna try to do some cool animation stuff for like the promotional video for Homes of Hope. So yeah, just teaching myself all that. And now we had a prayer time, and then we're getting ready to go to the beach for the beach day as the base.
Do you want to be in my vlog, not own yours, man?
What?
Do you not understand me? I said, do you want to be in my vlog, not your own vlog?
Yeah.
Bro, get the camera away from me, bro. Get it away from me.
Wait.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Sweet. Hey, bro, what do you do on a daily basis?
Yeah, we build houses for the people who don't have homes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whereabouts do you build these houses?
Well, we build in like Nepal,
Oh, yeah.
East Timor, Manila.
Yeah, so
This
places
year,
where people
50
are...
homes in Manila.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome, man. So, what would you say is so good about, you know, building these houses? What makes you want to do them?
Well, I mean, it brings hope to people. You know, a home
Yeah.
is a very practical thing.
Yeah, yeah. So are there people in these countries that really don't have homes, or?
Yeah. Well, they actually have homes. They have really bad ones, so they like they break them down. And we like come in.
And you guys fix them and make them better. And...
Well, no, we built a new one where they like took it down.
Okay. How long does it usually take to build a house?
Like a week.
A week? Oh, that's awesome. So you guys, how many people are in your team?
It's like 11.
11. That's awesome, man.
Yeah. Sweet.
So what are you doing here at the beach?
I mean, today we're just chilling as a base.
Yeah?
The base is just here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, just really building community.
Oh, that's awesome, man. Well, it's great to hear from you, Caleb. And I will catch you next time.
Okay.
Peace out. Kia ora whānau, back in New Zealand. Yeah, I just really want to say a big shout out to all you guys. I love you all. And I miss you guys. I wish you guys could be here. I wish my family, my friends could be here. You know, enjoying the summer sun of Perth, Australia. And yeah, I just really love you guys. I miss you guys. And I just want to give that shout out to you guys. And, yeah, just hope that everyone's doing well. Hope everyone has an amazing Christmas with their family and friends. And yeah, it's one thing you don't want to take for granted today. You know, your family's the closest thing you have. So yeah, just really want to just put that shout out to them. And yeah, just say love you guys.
Singing the oceanside song. People can dance and sing. We're singing the oceanside song. Where people can dance and sing. Singing the oceanside song. Where people can dance and sing. Singing the oceanside song. So come and dance and sing.